Hi, Boomergurl, Jackie of all trades here with video number 14, the fireplace in Mantel. So this is what I'm using the paint, even though it says, not to thin it out or anything. I did twice and it's too thick, so you need to put water in it. Yeah, don't listen to the directions. All right, the left side is done. And I just wanted to say, I'm using the little shortcut brush and it's being eaten by the brick. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. It doesn't go on smoothly. Yeah, your brush is going to eat it. I hope you enjoyed this video and transformation of the ugly, dangerous fireplace and mantle to something just sort of softer and easier on the eyes. This is Boomergurl, Jackie of all trades. Please like, share, follow, or subscribe. And I'm coming back with the living room and the quarter round project.